Zamfara State, northwest Nigeria, has been the epicenter of the criminal activities of bandits who kill, maim, abduct innocent citizens for ransom and rustle cattle. This is why the federal government ordered the shutting down of all telecom network services in the state as it begins an all-out offensive on the bandits. Residents believe that the measure will help a great deal to curb the activities of bandit informants who usually provide the criminals with information about their target.
Yes, and the security, that soldier, they can escort them to go to inside or direct. So when they have no security, when their soldier doesn't come, so they don't have even time to go there. Everybody they fear to go the route because bandits they are there to attacking them. So but now this thing that the government do, we are happy with the application. We hope this thing they bring peace for this state with everybody is doing his everything well and enjoying his business and everything will become normal. We are happy with that.
That is the only way, the most easiest and simplest way to pipe these people. We have been experiencing this insurgency for more than 8 years now, since the past government. And all citizens are saying the government has abandoned its people, been killed, kidnapped, this and that, without taking any measures. And now the government is trying all they can to see the end of this insecurity in the states. And all I can say, we wish them the best of luck in succeeding to tackle this.
The development is having a toll on the residents of Zamfara State, especially those who sell recharge cards, phones accessories, cyber cafe operators, POS, and even banking services in the state.
The thing that we get before, you are saving money that you have before, and then you go carry and feeding your family and fueling your car and fueling your machine, anything that they make your life easy to, you can carry the thing that you saved before and chop it. Because there's anything you can get now, everything very shut down. You can't sell anything, nobody can, if you see my shop now, you cannot spend anybody for it. Nobody can come and buy anything. So we are just minding our life like that. And why we are happy with that, because we need the peace, seriously, because we are facing challenges, especially our people from the village.
In order to support them, we have to obey by whatever laws or order they impose to the citizens. That is the only way we can support the government, because we don't have any power to support them. But we can support them by obeying their order.
Some of the residents who eke out a living through the telecom-related businesses admit it will not be easy for them to cope with the measure imposed, given that they have to rely on their little savings to fend for their families, pending whether networks will be restored after the 2 weeks of the exercise.